Hello, everyone. How's everybody doing out there? This is Journey Tales with Amir. I'm out here on the beach here, relaxing. I had a couple of drinks here, relaxing. The time now is 5:10, and I just wanted to come on for a quick second to say hello to everyone, letting you see the water here. Um, let's get closer and see what happens here. Okay. I just finished. They had a water game with Dominican music, and it was pretty nice. Uh, I'm waiting on this evening. They're gonna have a couple of live shows, Broadway shows here, so I'm gonna check that out. Uh, let's see what I've been having a good time. I can't lie. I'm enjoying myself. The dinner was awesome yesterday. I really liked that. I'm trying to get my what you want to call it, the going live feet, trying to make sure that I'm doing the right thing. But this is what I see now. Let me go out a little further here. I don't see, yeah, I see a red flag out here. They have red flags. But you have people out here that is testing these waves here. Now, I'm not a good swimmer, so but it's beautiful, especially in the evening time. Oh my God, come out here and just soak it in. But these waves, they are scary. I'm not trying to go out there, but you got a whole lot of people. I wish they was out here today so you can see. But you have folks out there, and I'm assuming they are very good swimmers. They go way out there, and then they come back. They ride the waves back in. Okay, so let's go back here. Because I found out that because I'm a new vlogger, I don't have the permission to go live yet. So hopefully, once I get that permission, I would do live streaming there. So if you have any questions, just jot them down in the comment section, and I will respond to them. Good, bad, or indifferent, I will respond. I think I'm gonna get me another one of those drinks here. I forget what you call it, but I'm going back over there to get another one. So I apologize for not saying too much. I mean, again, I will get better, I promise you. I'll be here until the 17th. Senor. What is that? Que lo que?
¿Qué lo que? Tranquilo, tranquilo.
All right, all right. Oh, I'm trying to get my Spanish right. There's one of the brothers. He said, "Say this right here." He said, "Say, Mama, que lo que." If anybody can tell me what that means, please put it in the comments section. Mama or mommy, que lo que? And he said that they will smile. I said that to one of the young ladies, and she just smiled. It's like some people, like, for an example, you would say, hello, Barbara. And then somebody else would say, what's up, Barbara? So, mommy que lo que is something, local. What's up? So I'm going back over here to my bartender. I'm gonna see if I can get another one here. Sir, may I get that one more drink, please?
Sí, señor.
Please. And what do you call it?
Extra viejo. Extra viejo.
There you go. Say hello to my family.
Hola, hello.
All right. Senor. All right, que lo que? So, yeah.
¿Qué lo que? ¿Qué lo que? ¿Qué lo que?
Yeah. This is good. Number one, yeah. So I'm not going to stay on too long. I've been on 7 minutes now. So I hope you all enjoyed a little bit of what I'm experiencing. Let me show. All right, Senor and Mommy, que lo que? Again, this is Travel Tales with Amir. I love you guys. Peace.